Hi, I'm Paul from VeloWorks, and let me show you our best-selling road rim brake wheel set. So everyone talks about how rim brakes are dead and how we need to have lower spoke counts. Well, this wheel set breaks the norm. It's our best-selling rim brake road wheel set. Come and join me to find out its specifications and why it's so popular. Here we have a super popular set of wheels for road bikes with tyre size of 700 from 23mm up to 30. It uses the R460 rim, which has an internal rim width of 18mm. They have a total system weight rating of 110 kilograms. I personally use them on my bike. I'm not the lightest rider, and nor is my bike, and they have never missed a beat. Never missed a beat. I built them. They've never needed truing, tuning up, or anything. There's been nothing wrong with them at all. They have been perfect. The only difference on my one is I've got the 105 R7000 Shimano R7000 rear hub, and on my front one I've got a Sun Dynamo hub. This set, our most commonly loved set, comes with an R7000 front hub. They spin and spin and spin. How long have you got? Also, it's nice to have just a nice sounding free hub. No obnoxiousness here. And it'll just go on and on and on and on and on. Probably longer than we have for the video. So, talked about the rim profile. We use DT Swiss competition spokes, double butted, 2mm at this end, 2mm at this end, and 1.8 in the middle. They're kind of our go-to spoke. We love them, and we use ProLock brass nipples, always brass nipples, and we always use ProLock, DT Swiss ProLock nipples, because they have thread lock inside them. So you can true the wheel and do everything you need to do to the wheel as normal, but they just kind of solidify the build, and we've always built with them, and they just offer that little bit of quality that we want here at VeloWorks. So here I am just admiring the front wheel. As mentioned, it has the Shimano 105 R7000 front hub, really nice durable hub. This one also is 32 spokes, and we'll just keep on rolling because it's nicely balanced. All of our wheels are built within super tight tolerances, 0.5mm radially and 0.2mm laterally. And it'll just go on and on and on. And this one's 32 spoke as well. So a higher spoke count than other ones. With some rim brake wheels, more kind of performance based ones, we do 20 on the front, 24 on the back. But these are really good light touring, commuting, so they really do fit a lot of purposes. So we do find that people really go to them, and in this day and age when bikes are getting more expensive and people are keeping their steeds going, these are a perfect fit. Quick release axle, so 100mm spacing on the front and 130mm on the back, which is traditional road bike spacing. They can come tubeless, or you can have cloth rim tape fitted if you're a real traditionalist. Lots of options. So let's have a look at my bike. Let's have a look at how they look, and I'll let you know what I really think of them. So here they are on my bike. I really, really like them. This is a vintage bike, so you could say that they're not, you know, they should be silver, the rims, but I really like fusing the modern components with old components. So, well, modern components with old frames, but that's another story, and I've covered that lots in other videos. For me, these wheels have just been a delight. I had some more performance focused wheels on there before, which I really liked. They were 32mm, so semi-aero, great on the flat, whereas I find these wheels are just all round really, really good for any situation. I don't always take them just on road. They go on gravel paths, light gravel paths, and they've never missed a beat. Since I built them, I've never used a nipple wrench on them again because they've just stayed completely true. So I know that they're great, and we know that they're great because so many people buy them. So yeah, thanks for watching our video. Let us know what you think about rim brakes. Are they alive? Are they dead? Let us know what you think in the comments, and please subscribe.